Streamline procurement activities such as supplier requests for quotations, purchase order entry, and accounts payable with Acumatica's extensive purchase order application. Inventory-centric retail merchants, wholesalers, and manufacturers improve efficiency with automation for improved supply chain collaboration and reduced costs. There are many ways to create purchase orders in Acumatica. Enter purchase orders manually from the application, or create them by converting approved requisitions. Connected EDI automates purchase order communication with suppliers. You can generate purchase orders when subsidiaries or related companies create sales orders with intercompany accounting. Distributors and retailers can generate purchase orders from inventory replenishment or distribution requirements planning. Manufacturers use material requirements planning to create purchase orders. You can also import purchase orders from files or web APIs. Acumatica automates accounts payable processing with smart matching using AI with machine learning. You can also leverage connected apps for similar AP automation. Manage vendor addresses, terms and currencies, financial and payment details, and purchase settings. Create custom attributes and manage vendor locations and contacts. Define GL accounts and email and print templates by vendor class or for specific suppliers. Maintain vendor prices for individual items or manage prices with vendor worksheets for larger scale price changes. You can also create or import vendor catalogs. Optionally use requests and requisitions to formalize procurement for employee supplier equipment requests and special purchases for items to be sold to customers. Tailor requisitions with approval maps and configurable approval processes. With unlimited user licenses, you can offer requests and requisitions to every employee. You can further streamline the process with vendor bidding. Tailor procurement workflows and activities with flexible setup options, including validation, variance allocation, three-way matching, copy options, and more. Leverage approval maps to notify staff via SMS text or email when purchases, such as large orders, require their approval. Define mail, email, and print settings for purchase order documents. Configure warehouse processes for receipt activities and landed costs for varied purchasing scenarios. Create new purchase orders, drop shipments blankets, and other orders quickly with predefined order types. Orders support local and vendor currencies. Add items and quantities, enter discounts as percentages or amounts, and set receiving tolerances. Enter purchase orders on a form as an alternative to grid entry. Use item attributes to find the right product with matrix item features. For example, with the table view, an electronics distributor can select 1K for the resistor ohms value, 0.5 watts for the power rating, and 5% for the tolerance rating to find the correct part number for the order. Maintain and view settings for taxes, shipping details, and vendor information. Use convenient side panels to view preferred vendor items defined by inventory item, or for specific warehouses and vendor details including bill and payment history. The PO History tab displays receipt details on the left and accounts payable documents on the right side of the screen with drill downs to source transactions. You can also view prepayments and optionally view related project change orders once the order hold has been removed. Additional order settings, totals, and billing summaries are provided as well. Access the Related Activities menu to manage order holds, create prepayments, print or email orders, enter receipts and bills, and related activities. You can also streamline outside processing for purchased, subcontract manufacturing services. Purchase orders connect seamlessly with sales orders for drop shipments and purchase order linking for customer orders. Streamline procurement activities, including document printing and email, intercompany purchasing, document and landed cost release, and inventory receipts. Manage procurement activities by exception with push notifications triggered by business events, and monitor data in real time with actionable role-based dashboards. Tailor print and digital purchasing forms with flexible sorting, filtering, and document delivery options. Customize reports with intuitive no-code tools. Reports provide insights into procurement status, transactions, and financial details. Flexible inquiries empower users with live data to analyze information in real time. Learn how FSC Lighting transformed its business and purchasing process with Acumatica's modern business management platform.
FSC Lighting is a company that's approximately 50 years old that has successfully bridged the gap of going from a fluorescent fixture manufacturer to an all-LED company. FSC Lighting has a very complex supply chain with vendors based all over the world. Our company was running on processes that were established, as far as I can tell, about 1990. We employed a variety of very inefficient paper processes that were onerous, impossible to manage, and almost impossible to track from an inventory and production management standpoint. The iPhone app has been super beneficial for me because I am in the building maybe 20% of the time. I'm able to go through all my approvals from POs coming inbound to our POs going outbound and approve all those on the fly.
We needed a system that would allow us to be able to scale our business going from a very manual operation to an automated operation. We need something very flexible in the cloud and overall something that was a good value for us. And we found that in Acumatica.
Discover why growing merchants, wholesalers, and manufacturers rely on Acumatica to streamline procurement activities with insights to manage their supply chains by exception. Contact us today to schedule a personalized demonstration.